Because, of course, only the enlightened ones could come up with something like this. This guy simply decided to join two pipes without using a single connector, as if it were the most obvious solution ever. While you've always run to spend money on fittings, he solved it with pure creativity. It's one of those ideas you look at, sigh, and even feel a little jealous for not thinking of it first. But don't worry, no guilt here. Now you'll learn it too. Follow this tip and see how he pulled off the job in a simple, cheap, and brilliant way.